Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an Adobe Reader issue where it says that there was an error opening this document and that access was denied. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is going to be a fix to get you to reopen your PDF. I would recommend changing the setting back once you have finished accessing a document that you're trying to work with. But just to actually open up the document, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And we're going to start by opening up the Edit tab and then select Preferences near the bottom of that drop-down list. Now that we are under Preferences, you want to go left click on where it says Security Enhanced. And then if Enable Protected Mode at Startup is checkmarked, you want to uncheck that. It says Disabling Protected Mode also disables Protected View in App Container. For changes to take effect, you need to manually restart the application. Go ahead and select Yes, and then OK. Close out of here. Attempt to relaunch the document you're having the problem with. And again, I would suggest re-enabling protection mode once you have accessed that file. There's also a chance that it's not a legitimate document, so just make sure the source of the Adobe file that you located is legitimate and it's not some third-party malicious actor. So just keep that in mind. If you know it's a good source, then it shouldn't be too much to worry about, but there's always that chance, so just keep that in mind. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.